So hello beautiful awesome professionals. My name is Digital Fanil. You are listening to the Digital Fanil. In this quick episode, we will discuss a 10 based motivational podcast that will unleash your potential. Do you need some motivation? Are you struggling with bad habits, managing finance or fitness goals? Do you have big dreams but lack the willpower to get up and go? Do you want to improve your life situation, become healthier or start a business? If so, this top motivational podcast can help. In this quick episode, we'll share 10 of the best motivational podcasts on business, personal development, health, and fitness and money. All through this podcast can't change your life. For you, they can inspire, teach, and motivate you to go after the life you want. Let's jump in. First motivational podcast is the Gary Vee audio experience. Perfect for kick-starting your motivation to green hustle and success. The Gary Vee audio experience is a high energy, hard hitting motivational podcast featuring a variety of content from entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk. Vaynerchuk is known for his social media marketing agency like Vayner Media. So it's not surprised that he's very active on social media and publish tons of content every day. The podcast is bursting with business and marketing tips, tactics, and advice. Vaynerchuk also shares his view on creating a life and mindset geared towards success. New episodes are published daily and they can last anywhere between 2 minutes to 2 hours. Next and second podcast is Entrepreneurs on Fire. Perfect for learning how top entrepreneurs think and act to achieve success. Entrepreneur on Fire is one of the best motivational podcasts covering business, marketing, and entrepreneur mindset. In each episode, host Don Lee Dumas interview highly successful entrepreneurs. These guests share actionable tactics and strategies to help you build the business and life of your dreams. New episodes are published every 2 to 5 days and are typically 25 to 30 minutes long. Plus, the show has more than 2500 episodes, so you will never run out of motivational material. The best motivational podcast for personal growth. Working to become a better person take time, dedication, and perseverance. If you are working to become your best half, here are 2 of the best motivational podcasts to help. Next and third podcast is the School of Greatness. Perfect for gaining motivation and inspiration from ultra successful individuals. The School of Greatness is hosted by Levin House, a New York Times best-selling author, all-American entrepreneur. House interviews some of the most successful people on the planet in business, sport, entertainment, science, and more. Past guests include author Dan Harris, entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk, and actor and comedian Kevin Hart. Each episode features stories, techniques, and tips that will motivate and inspire you to grow and lead a better life. Topic included overcoming fear, managing relationships, love, success, business, and more. House release new episode every 2 to 3 days, and they are between 6 minutes to 1 hour long. Next and fourth motivational podcast is the Mind Valley podcast. Perfect for expanding your mind and stepping into your potential. The Mind Valley podcast is all about the nitty-gritty aspect of personal growth. This top motivational podcast can help you to break free of limiting beliefs and step into your power. It's packed full of actionable strategies and tactics to improve your mindset, belief, and performance. The founder of personal growth educational company Mind Valley, Vishen Lakhani, hosts the podcast. Episode features experts and teach in various fields such as physiology, science, business, and spirituality. New episodes are released every 2 to 7 days and are typically between 30 minutes or 1 hour long. Next and 5 motivational podcasts is Optimal Living Daily. Perfect for small doses of motivation and inspiration while on the go. Do you bookmark interesting articles online but never get around to reading them? Optimal Living Daily can help. This free motivational podcast features some of the best articles on every day. A hand-picked article will be ready by the host Many of these articles are written by notable experts and authors. The episode feature a range of topics such as business, mindfulness, personal growth, and minimalism. Like plus episodes are between 6 to 10 minutes long, so you can get a daily dose of motivation and inspiration on the go. Next and sixth motivational podcast is the Happier Podcast, perfect for improving your habits and to help you create the life you want. Our habits, perception, and relationship all contribute to our level of happiness and ability to remain motivated. The Happier Podcast is a personal, lively, and thought provoking motivational podcast hosted by best selling author Gretchen Rubin. This podcast features practical tips and advice on how to improve the high quality of your life. This each episode can help you to improve your outlook, experience more joy, and as a result stay motivated. Topics range from productivity and friendships to creativity and love. New episodes are shared every 1 to 7 days and can be anywhere between 2 to 50 minutes long. The best motivational podcast about money. Need some motivation to save money, pay down debt, or start investing? Want to learn how to manage financial more effectively? This free motivational podcast can help you achieve financial freedom and perspective. Next and seventh podcast is the Dave Ramsey Show, perfect for motivating you to take control of your money. The Dave Ramsey Show is a good motivational podcast for anyone with money troubles. It's hosted by Dave Ramsey, a personal finance expert and best-selling author of 7 books. Ramsey's mission to motivate and empower listeners to get out of a debt to create financial freedom. He doesn't mess around in the bus and always cuts straight to the heart of any financial problem. Listen to this motivational podcast for tips on budgeting, managing debt, investing, accounting, and insurance. A new show is published every day. The show runs for 3 hours and is broken down into 1 hour episode. Next and 8th motivational podcast is So Money, perfect for learning how to manage your money to create financial freedom. So Money is one of the best motivational podcasts on money. Award-winning finance trade Fermos Torby hosts the show. It features question and answer with Torby and interview with successful people in a variety of industry. Guests share their personal finance stories, the mistake they made, and the strategies to manage their money effectively. Episode cover topics such as the basic of money management, investing strategies, and paying off credit card debt and more. New episodes are posted every 2 to 3 days and typically last 25 to 50 minutes. The best motivational podcast on health and fitness. Maintaining a health diet and regular exercise can demand a lot of effort and dedication. These top motivational podcasts are bursting with information, advice, and inspiration to help you achieve your health and fitness goal. Next and 9 podcast is Hurdle, perfect for finding the motivation to overcome in life. Hurdle is a motivation podcast focus on health and well-being. Each episode, host Emily sits down with inspiring individuals who have used wellness habits to overcome tough times and achieve big wins. You can expect motivation, insight, and candid discussion from entrepreneur, magazine editors, professional, and more. The show covers topics such as meditation, running, cycling, and weight loss. New episodes are shared on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Episode lasts between 10 minutes or 1 hour. Next and last 10 motivational podcast is Nutrition Matters, perfect for learning how to maintain a healthy diet on a positive relation with food. Nutrition Matters is one of the best motivational podcasts about food. It often finds tips of actionable takeaway that you can use to improve your diet and relationship with a food. It's hosted by registered dietitian and nutrition page Smathers, who interview a variety of health and wellness experts. Plus, you can listen to real life stories from people who have overcome eating difficult weight and other food issues. The motivational podcast share just 2 new episodes per month, but there are more than like 175 episodes for you to benefit from. Episode typically last between 4 to 5 minutes and 1 hour long. So motivational podcast can help improve you to create life that you want. In summary, here's list of 10 best motivational podcasts to listen to in this time. Have we missed any of the best motivational podcasts out there? Share your favorite in comment below.